Hi, welcome to Trouble with Tish. I am Tish, and I be trouble. Alright, so what trouble have I gotten myself into today? Boxycharm Base Box. Alright, so Boxycharm Base Box. This is $25 a month, and you're guaranteed 5 full-size products a month. And I am guaranteed to drop stuff. Was that important? I think it was an eyeshadow brush, but for the life of me, I can't see it, so we'll pick it up later. Alright, so we open it up, and this is our box. Alright, theme this month: Boxycharm, spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, slumber. I'm going with, it's a summer box. That is our card. That is our information. We have variation. Are you gonna focus? Focus! Alright, variation number 2. Alright, so before we get going, alright. So, first thing on the list, Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. That is a big old concealer. And we have Golden Beige. And I'm thinking Golden Beige, probably a bit dark for me. And since I'm not going anywhere, I don't think I'm getting any tan anytime soon. So I might have to find somebody to give this to. Now, because I have already put it on my hand before, I will show you what it looks like. It is right here. And as you can tell, there's a bit of a difference. So, I know it is not going to be light enough for me. But anyways, let's see. Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. Holy crow, it is hot in this room. It's time for a fan or an AC unit. Can somebody tell my husband I need an AC unit? He'll probably just laugh at you. Anyways, conceal, contour, highlight, and retouch with the Super Perfecting Natural Finish Concealer Makeup Hybrid. Full loaded pigments provide maximum coverage with an undetectable finish for a look so flawless they'll think you were born this way. The suggested retail is $29. It does sit nicely on my hand. It does look like skin. However, it's really not the right shade. If it was, I would use this, because it doesn't look like I have makeup on my skin. So that's too bad. Maybe that's weird. They do that at discount stores. That's weird. Anyways, sorry, got distracted. Maybe if I can find the right shade for me, I'll have to check that out. Because I would pay $29 for this kind of coverage. It's nice. And it's not sticky or anything. It dried down nicely. Alright, so next up we have Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. What is a Velvet Lip Perfector? We have Velvet Raspberry. And that looks pink. right. Are we twisting? We're twisting. Okay, well that's weird. Not what I expected. All right. Okay. All right. So, it looks kind of like a lip stain. And it is not hot pink. So, I will actually use that color. It's more of a berry tone, which it did say that it was a raspberry, so that makes sense. I like that. All right, so Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector. Clarins best-selling natural lip perfector. Go bold with a new matte finish, a liquid lipstick with a weightless mousse texture that delivers a highly pigmented velvety finish with soft blur effect, formulated with conditioning and nourishing shea butter, leaving lips feeling hydrated for hours. The suggested retail on this is $26. It's not drying down. It feels nice, but it's a lip product. 26 bucks? We'll see about that. All right. Next, we have Mind Tan Body Skin Hydra Glow Sleep Serum. And that is what it looks like. Kind of smells like berries. All right. Greet the day with glowing skin. Hydra Glow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with a triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time release multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin that glows. Wake up looking fabulous and greet the day with glowing skin. I'm down to greet the day with glowing skin. All right. Suggested retail $44.95. All right then. We'll see if that's there better be something in this box. It doesn't feel like there's anything in this box. A real herd to find brow pencil. I am inspiring. All right, so this is the box. Let's see if there's actually anything in the box, because it doesn't feel like there is. But it's a brow pencil, so yes. I actually don't have but one brow pencil. So hopefully this is a good color for me. This is the component. That is how much product you get. It's got yeah, that's gonna be a good color for me. That's going to be the perfect color for me, probably. And then we have the spoolie on the other end. And that is the color. That makes me happy. I now have 2 brow pencils to my name. Alright, next, I'm very, very, very excited about this because the other option was the Teddy Boy and I really didn't want that one. That color story was so boring. Alright, so we got the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. These 10 eyeshadow pans of pure bliss provide all the everyday hues you need to create your go-to soft glam, as well as vivid pops of color to liven up your look. Suggested retail is $36. I didn't read anything about the eyebrow pencil because I was so excited about the eyebrow pencil. Why am I so excited about eyebrow pencils? Well, I have no clue. Just am. So, before we go on to swatching the palette. Alright, my camera is so rude. Cut me off in the middle of me talking. So rude. Alright, but I did watch the video to find out where it cut off, so I will continue from where it cut off. So, back to the stinking eyebrow pencils. Where did it go? Eyebrow pencil. Real Her Definer Brow Pencil. This long-lasting micro-tip pencil allows you to create individual like hairs for a subtle or bold brow looks. Its creamy wax-based formulation glides beautifully and naturally on skin, and this waterproof pencil is stress-free to help you through any challenges you face in life, and the suggested retail for that is $16. Alright, now back to the palette. Quit dropping my brushes. So rude. Everything's being rude today. Alright, so we have 10 colors. It says pressed pigment palette. Alright. We're gonna find something to open this, maybe. Aha. Nail file. Alright, Violet Voss Essentials 2 Pro Series eyeshadow and pressed pigment palette. And we have a mirror and a protective covering. And those are the shades. So it looks like we got a neutral area here and a little bit more color here. And I like this row here. Alright, swatchy time. Let's see. Oh wow, those are really neutral. We have beige, clay, rose gold, chocolate brown, and bronze. And that is the color of my skin. I am on a live with Jesiicavargus. I'll link her channel below. Go check her out. She's absolutely amazing. Xinia did a giveaway on Jessica's Live for a Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. And it looks like Bobbie Loves Beauty one. Awesome. Yes. Congratulations, Bobbie Loves Beauty. Alright. I will link Xinia down below. Go check her out. She is a ball. Oh my God. Catch one of her lives. So much fun. She actually needs watch hours right now. Go run one of her playlists. She's a blast. Like, literally, you'll have so much fun watching her. Yeah, I'll link her below. All right, back to the swatching, sorry. All right. Second row. We have Wild Orchid, Blue Violet, Aqua, and Blue Sky, and Copper. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Those are pretty. Oh, that Aqua is a little bit disappointing. Let me see if I can build up that Aqua a little bit. That's a little bit buildable, but I think it will go with the other colors nicely, so not so bad. Not so bad. Alright, and because these some of these are pressed pigments, you're going to want to use a primer because it will stain. Alright, let me show you the swatches real quick. It starts here, but you can't really see it because that's the color of my skin. Those are the swatches. Alright, so we got, what did we got? Let me make sure this is right. I have stuff all over the place. We got the Violet Voss Essentials 2. We got the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. We got the Velvet Lip Perfector. We got the Hydro Glow Sleep Serum. And the Real Her eyebrow pencil. And that is what we got for our Boxycharm. This is yes, Boxycharm. I've done way too many videos today already. Let's see, I'm excited about this. I like this. I'm gonna have to check into getting the right color, the right shade of that, because it's really nice. And as we know, I'm really excited about the eyebrow pencil. And I mean, I'll try this out. I'm not like jumping for joy over it, but you know, it is what it is. And I still have like lots of eyeshadows on my fingers. But that's it for our Boxycharm Base Box. I will leave them linked below. If you use my link to sign up, it gives me points, which I can then turn into makeup. Stay. All right. So that is our travel for today. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Okay, so I hope every single one of you has an absolutely amazing day. And congratulations, Bobbie. And I will see you all on the next one. Bye.